What size pool jets am I supposed to purchase for one? 5-inch pipes? In my pool, I have 2 white PVC pipes that push water out, where jets are supposed to fit to increase flow rate. The diameter of these pipes is 1.5 inches. I purchased a 5-pack of Pool & Spa Eyeball Jet 1.5 threaded to 3/4 open jets from an online retailer. I was sent a pack of 5 jets where the diameter of the threaded portion measured 1.75 inches, too big to fit in the 1.5 wall pipes. I returned the pack and requested the correct size. Again, I was sent the same 1.75-inch pack back. The product is a Pool Line item number 11211C. I found an independent description which measures the threaded portion as 1.12 MIPT. Below is a photo from the website referenced above showing the MIPT, and photos of the items I received with a tape showing measurement. Before I return these items for a third time, I want to make sure I am purchasing for the correct width. Am I simply being sent the wrong item, or am I asking for the wrong item? If so, what should I be asking for? Question from user Josh DM at Stack Exchange. Answer: nominal pipe size is for the hole on the inside of the pipe, and that is still subject to nominal A pipe, which is 112 inches. Actually 1.557 on the outside is a 1.14 pipe. A 1.12-inch pipe is 1.796 inches OD. Here is a handy and very detailed chart diagram. You have been asking for the wrong part, and have been sent the part you asked for, twice. Answer from user Ekniwall at Stack Exchange.